If you've ever wondered how to supercharge your metabolism, burn fat like a furnace, and transform your body into a well-oiled machine, you're in the right place. The keto diet isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle backed by science. In this video, we'll break down the basics, unravel the mysteries of ketosis, and provide you with practical tips to make the transition into this high-fat, low-carb lifestyle seamless. Whether you're here to shed a few pounds, boost your energy levels, or simply explore a new way of eating, the first step to success is knowledge, and we've got your back. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the keto diet in this ultimate beginner's guide. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat eating plan designed to shift your body into a state called ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body prefers burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. When you limit your carb intake, your body starts breaking down fats into molecules called ketones, which become the primary energy source. Let's break down the science a bit, starting with the star of the show, ketosis. This is the metabolic state where your body shifts its primary fuel source from glucose to ketones. But how does this happen? The key catalyst for ketosis is the restriction of carbohydrates. Normally, our bodies rely on glucose derived from carbs for energy. But when you significantly cut down on carbs, your body needs an alternative energy source. As carb intake decreases, the body's glycogen stores become depleted. Glycogen is a form of stored glucose in the liver and muscles. Once it's used up, the body has to find an alternative, and that's where the magic begins. Enter fats, our unsung heroes in the keto diet. With carbohydrates taking a back seat, the body starts breaking down fats into molecules called ketones through a process known as ketogenesis. These ketones become a new energy currency, and here's the beauty. They can cross the blood-brain barrier, providing a fantastic source of energy for the brain, which normally relies heavily on glucose. Now let's break down the key components of the keto diet. First up, we drastically reduce our carbohydrate intake. Typically, it's around 20 to 50 grams per day. This encourages the body to use stored fat for energy. Next, we have moderate protein intake. Too much protein can actually hinder ketosis, as the body can convert excess protein into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. Finally, the star of the show, high-fat consumption. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils become your best friends. These healthy fats help maintain ketosis and provide a sustainable source of energy. Now that we've taken a deep dive into the science behind the keto diet, let's shift gears and move on to the practical side of things. It's time to roll up those sleeves and get started on your keto journey. Step 1. Clean out your pantry. Bid farewell to high-carb temptations like sugary snacks, pasta, and bread. Make room for keto-friendly essentials such as avocados, nuts, seeds, healthy oils, and low-carb vegetables. Having a keto-friendly environment will set you up for success and eliminate potential stumbling blocks. Step 2. Understand macronutrients. Your plate should primarily consist of low carbohydrates, moderate protein, and high fats. Embrace healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish. This balance is crucial for entering and maintaining a state of ketosis, the hallmark of the keto diet. Step 3. Plan your meals. Meal planning is a key to success on the keto diet. Planning ahead helps you stay on track and reduces the likelihood of succumbing to old eating habits. Get creative with keto recipes. Experiment with new ingredients, and ensure your meals are well balanced in terms of macronutrients. Consider investing time in a weekly meal prep routine to save time and ensure you always have keto-friendly options at hand. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend on the keto diet. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and help your body adjust to the initial stages of ketosis. Additionally, consider replenishing electrolytes, especially sodium, potassium, and magnesium, as these can be depleted when you reduce your carbohydrate intake. Pro tip: add a pinch of salt to your water or enjoy a cup of broth to keep those electrolytes in check. Step 5. Listen to your body. As you embark on your keto journey, pay close attention to how your body responds. The first few days may present an adjustment period as your body shifts from burning carbs to fats. Listen to your body's signals. If you're hungry, focus on increasing healthy fats in your meals. If you experience cravings, it might be an indication that your body needs more fats to sustain ketosis. Now let's talk about what you can eat. First and foremost, let's talk about healthy fats. The cornerstone of the keto diet: avocados and avocado oil. Check. Olive oil, absolutely. Coconut oil and coconut milk, you bet. And of course, our beloved butter and ghee. These fats are not only delicious but crucial for fueling your body on the keto journey. Now, let's add some protein to the mix. Meat lovers, rejoice. Beef, pork, lamb, poultry, they're all keto-friendly. Fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, make fantastic choices too. And let's not forget eggs, a versatile and nutrient-packed keto staple. Don't shy away from full-fat dairy either. Cheese, cream, and Greek yogurt are excellent sources. Moving on to low-carb vegetables, our fiber-filled friends. Leafy greens like kale and spinach, cruciferous veggies such as broccoli and cauliflower, and colorful bell peppers. Zucchini and asparagus also make the cut. These veggies not only bring flavor and variety but also essential nutrients to the keto table. Craving something sweet? Berries are your go-to fruits on the keto diet. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are relatively low in carbs, making them a delightful and nutritious treat. Let's talk dairy. Embrace full-fat cheeses, heavy cream, and unsweetened Greek yogurt. Cottage cheese is okay in moderation, too. These dairy delights add richness and versatility to your keto meals. Now, let's kick up the flavor with herbs and spices. Basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary. The list goes on. Don't be afraid to get creative with cumin and turmeric. Spice up your keto meals and keep things exciting. Condiments can be keto-friendly too. Mustard, hot sauce, and mayonnaise, but check for sugar content. Vinegar and pickles can add zing to your dishes. And for beverages, it's all about water, coffee, but black or with high-fat options, unsweetened tea, and bone broth. For snacks, think olives, cheese crisps, pork rinds, and nuts, in moderation. These can curb your cravings without kicking you out of ketosis. If you have a sweet tooth, fear not. There are keto-friendly sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, and monk fruit. Just remember, moderation is key. On the flip side, there are certain foods you'll want to steer clear of. First up, let's bid farewell to our carb-heavy companions. Sayonara, sugar-packed treats, and starchy delights. Number 1 on the avoid list: high-carb grains and legumes. Carbohydrates are public enemy number 1 on the keto diet. Bid farewell to high-carb grains like rice and oats, as well as legumes such as beans and lentils. These foods are rich in carbohydrates, which can quickly derail your efforts to reach and maintain ketosis. Next, let's talk about sugary sweets and snacks. Say goodbye to sugary delights and snacks that can send your blood sugar levels soaring. Candy, cookies, pastries, and other sweets are packed with carbohydrates, particularly refined sugars. Cutting out these tempting treats is a crucial step in achieving and sustaining ketosis. Now, vegetables are generally good for you, but not all are created equal on keto. Potatoes and corn, for example, are starchy vegetables that can disrupt your keto journey. Next up, fruits. Fruits can be tricky. Fruits are a source of essential vitamins and fiber, but certain fruits are high in natural sugars. Bananas, grapes, and mangoes, for instance, are best left off the keto menu. Instead, choose lower-carb options such as berries in moderation. Let's talk about beverages. Beverages can be a hidden source of carbs, especially in the form of sugars and artificial sweeteners. Sodas, fruit juices, and sweetened coffee drinks should be avoided. Dairy can be a double-edged sword. While full-fat cheeses and creams are keto-friendly, be wary of high-sugar dairy products like sweetened yogurts. Always check those labels. Last but not least, let's talk about alcohol. Alcohol can be a tricky territory on the keto diet. Many alcoholic beverages are high in carbohydrates, potentially hindering your progress. Beer, cocktails, and sweet wines should be consumed in moderation. Now that we've navigated through the territories of foods to eat and avoid on the keto journey, let's shift gears and head straight into the heart of keto success, creating a meal plan that's not only delicious but also keeps those carbs at bay. Here are some golden nuggets of advice when creating a meal plan. Tip number 1. Understand macros and track them. Know your daily macronutrient goals, the right balance of low carbs, moderate protein, and high fats. Your plate should be a masterpiece of around 70 to 75% healthy fats, 20 to 25% protein, and 5 to 10% carbs. By understanding these macros, you're setting the stage for a body that runs on fat, not glucose. Consider using a tracking app to ensure you stay on target. It's like having a personal keto guide right in your pocket. Tip number 2. Plan your meals. Sunday can be your keto superhero day. Plan your meals for the week, do your grocery shopping, and get those Tupperware containers ready. Having keto-friendly meals on hand reduces the temptation to stray from your plan. When you have a plan, you're less likely to succumb to temptations or fall back on old habits. Tip number 3. Don't compare your journey. Every keto journey is unique. Don't compare yourself to others. Weight loss, energy levels, and other outcomes can vary. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and stay focused on your personal goals. And lastly, seek support and educate yourself. Remember, before making any significant changes to your diet, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and goals. Take the time to also educate yourself about the keto diet. Seek support from online communities, forums, or friends who share your keto enthusiasm. Now let's talk about tracking your progress. First things first, let's talk about the most tangible measure of progress, the scale. The scale can be a keto knight or a daunting dragon, depending on how you approach it. Weigh yourself consistently, preferably at the same time of day and under similar conditions. But remember, it's not the only measure of success. Factors like muscle gain and water retention play a role too. Now, let's shift our focus to the often overlooked non-scale victories, or NSVs. NSVs are the unsung heroes of progress tracking. These could be improvements in energy levels, better sleep, increased mental clarity, or that pair of jeans fitting just a bit looser. Keep a journal or make a mental note of these victories. They're just as important as the numbers on the scale. Also, consider taking before photos to visually track changes in your body composition. Pair this with regular body measurements, waist, hips, thighs, to capture changes that might not be reflected on the scale. And that's a wrap for our beginner's guide to the keto diet. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, so listen to your body, stay committed, and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep crushing those goals. See you in the next video.